Hello everyone, I took last week off to do some real life stuff. Today I filmed my first Christmas look of the season. Today I used two palettes, the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 and the e.l.f. The New Classic palette. I started out with a warm brown through the crease and softened the edge with a light cream shade. I went in the outer corner with a red and used light pressure to blend it through the crease. I went in with the crease shade to blended everything together. On the lid, I used the e.l.f. eyeshadow. It's a soft green with a gold shift. I used this metallic darker red in the outer corner, then went back and forth with it and the green to really blend the two shades. Highlighting the brow bone. Back to the crease shade to blend. Now just repeat on the other eye. I felt like a winged liner would pull the look together. I'm glad I decided to. Without it, it looked almost incomplete. Using a hydrating primer since it's cold and my skin is dry. Mixing concealers to get the right shade. I usually let it sit for a few minutes to dry down for maximum coverage. Mixing in the e.l.f. Halo Glow into my foundation for an added glow. It sounds weird, but it adds more of a skin-like finish to your foundation. I've started pressing in my powders all over of my face. It just lasts longer with my oily T-zone. After a few minutes, I sweep off any extra powder. Using my favorite face palette to bronze. Mixing blushes, because one is never enough. Using that same face palette as the blush to highlight. Remember, I have a full product list in the description. Framing my bottom lash line with the lid shades. Mist your face to melt down the powders. Lining and tight lining. I just love black eyeliner. You could use a nude shade if you don't add a wing. The best mascara, highly recommend. When I fill in my brows, I really just get the brown wax on the hairs to darken them. I should just tint them, honestly. Brow gel wax to keep them in place. Lining and filling in the whole lip actually keeps your lipstick on so much longer. Lighter nude pink on the center of the lips for the 90s look. Thank you for hanging out. Let me know if you want me to do any specific looks.